how to turn on or turn off sync health and fitness information to iCloud on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on iCloud. Next in here, tap on the CO button. Then we go down and tap on Health. Then tap on Sync this iPhone. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Here, if I switch it off, there will be a pop-up saying that turning off iCloud means your health data, fitness data, and settings will no longer be saved in iCloud. This will also stop sharing new health data from this device with others. So tap on Turn Off. And from here, you can choose to keep or delete health data. So here, would you like to keep or delete all the health and fitness data currently stored on this iPhone? So you can choose keep on my iPhone. Yeah, I will tap on the toggle button to switch back on. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.